what I'm doing here is I'm cutting out one of these triangles, and then I'm going to put a spoon behind it, and this is going to be an eyeball with a dragon. This is a bicycle welder. This is a piece of chrome pipe that I'm going to cut for his nose. I am going to now weld onto this bar to start making his face. So these will be basically his eyes. So what this was a straight tube. It was a straight tube like that. I cut it on an angle. Now I'm going to weld them like that. I'm going to weld them together like that. And then that is going to make his nostrils for his nose. He's gonna have some cheeks made out of the sponge. Some more spoons like this. What I did was cut a couple fangs out of it. I just sanded that on the belt grinder and cut that off. What I'm gonna do with that is I'm gonna weld that on there like that. I don't really want to use any other scrap that I have laying around, so I found the saw blade that I have been slowly cutting the teeth off of. and now it's just a piece of plate. I cut all the teeth off of it and used it on the dragon. I cut a template for his jaw out of paper. So what I think I'm gonna do is cut the jaw out of the saw blade, weld them onto him, so we will have a jaw for this guy. Yes. Unfortunately, I cannot use the bandsaw on this saw blade because this thing is hardened and it will just destroy the bandsaw blade, so I have to use a cutoff wheel. This is an aluminum plate that weld doesn't stick to, and this is a chainsaw blade turned backwards. This is the cutting edge that cuts the wood, and this is where the gears go. But I'm turning it backwards, and I'm going to weld the cutting edge to the bar so that the gear edge looks like its teeth. This is a piece of luggage rack from a motorcycle that I will be using for the horns. off camera, I placed eyelids on this guy and welded a plate to the bottom of them because I'm gonna found some of this stuff, and I'm gonna use this for his neck. His old neck was on here, I didn't like it. I'm gonna use this stuff for his new neck, and I'm gonna see how I like that.